Hey guys, Trader Razor here. I wanted to make a quick video for everybody. I am on the go today, running out and doing different errands and things. But people have been contacting me and talking to me about Bitcoin, asking where I think it's going to go in the short term. So the news, let's talk about the news first of all. There's a couple news items that just came out that could affect the price of Bitcoin either negatively or positively. First, the negative. We have 800 million in outflows from Bitcoin exchange traded funds. Now that's just one source of information. Is that profit taking? Possibly. So we'll have to monitor that. The reason it concerns me a little bit, but not too much, because Bitcoin is still holding technical support right around 112,000. I'll try to pop a chart up on top of this video when I get back home, just demonstrating there's a trend line on Bitcoin and an area of support that kind of clusters right around 112,000, and we've held that and we've bounced off that, at least in the short term. So that's the bad news. But it's not that bad as long as we hold that 112 level. So the good news, President Trump is set to sign an executive order that would allow digital assets into 401ks. So this would possibly open up a broader, big, long-term outlook for the investment into digital assets. So I think this would benefit Bitcoin and also those that pay staking rewards such as Ethereum, Solana, Tron. I think those are going to really benefit from this executive order. So that's good news. So that brings up the big question, where are we at technically? Where do I think this is going to go? Where do I think Bitcoin is going to go in the short term? Well, we have a lot of leverage shorts that are positioned currently. When we look at a liquidity or a liquidation heat map, we can see where the shorts are positioned, the longs are positioned on Bitcoin. Currently, there's a lot of shorts positioned in the range between 120 to 126,000 on Bitcoin. If we're able to drive up above 120, 123, where I showed you guys on that monthly chart where we have that last bit of resistance on a long-term outlook, that's why we got that pullback at 123. There was resistance there on the monthly chart. So all the shorts position themselves above 123. If we can push above 123, I think we could see Bitcoin catapult higher quickly, possibly up into the 130s, if we can liquidate those shorts that are leveraged between 120 and 126. That's all I got for you. That's what I think is going on with Bitcoin in the short term. But that being said, if you've been trading with Trendmaster Pro, we've been in since 95,000. We've locked in profits, 10%, 15%, and 25%. So we've taken half of our money off of the table. So if Bitcoin were to pull back dramatically, we just reinvest back in when we get a new Trendmaster Pro signal, and then we just ride the wave up all over again. That's all I have for you guys. Stay sharp, prosper. If you have any questions about anything I said, please hit me up in the comments. As always, Trader Razor out.